Krishvaa. So, oh look at the view. It's like a border of mountains. So, see you up when we reach. So guys, we are already a little bit up, but we have not reached the mountain. I don't know, that one was up. So, we're still climbing higher and... So guys, we are all walking and like still and keep on saying. So there's Nehal and I'm here of course. So we are going with Nehal, me and Nehal going up. I'm not sure when are we gonna reach, but then it's like, look at this. It looks like this plant I actually had. Yeah, I actually had it. It's spiky. Yeah. I tried making it into a bonsai, but it did not work.
We have to climb now here.
Hi,
It's going to be dense.
Yeah,
They are trying to break here. Antelope, you know, which eats ant. Look at their footprint.
which has a long nose, right?
Long nose, and then look at that nail that they have scratched here. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is how they break it.
Guys, as you can see, oh look at that you can see.
Truck starts now only.
Yeah, that's the trap.
Yeah, frog. I thought Krishvaa, this is Tulasi.
No, look at the leaf.
Scorpion. Krishvaa found scorpion.
Scorpion.
What is that, Nehal? Show me, Krishvaa. What is that?
It looks like a rifle. So, we're almost reached the top over there. hell. So we are done doing a truck from there. My leg is Barry, both of them paining. And we are done the truck. Sorry for not showing you some of the parts. Bye! And don't make sorry you gave me 100,000 subscribers. Guys, you have to subscribe. If you guys don't subscribe, you're not going to come in these videos with me. Bye!